Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Trent University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in myTrent account activation. That is myTrent account activate, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link. You may have to accept the cookies and then tap on new user activation form. Here you must enter your personal email address along with your 7-digit student or staff number, and then on the account type you must select student and then hit activate. These details should be provided to you by a college or university during the time of admission. You can then head over to the search bar one more time, and then in the search bar just type in myTrent login and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the second link. Here you must enter your username along with your password that you just activated, and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.